WD-01CS Smart Rainforest Spray System. After unpacking, please check if the parts and quantity are correct. When placing the host, you can choose direct placement, suckers or hook. When using the hook, secure the hook with the hook bolt. Please note the correct direction. Install the filter and immerse it in a clean water source. Use cutter to pry off the spray assembly and press the snap to release the connector. This method is also used when removing the spray head. Install the spray assembly to your rainforest tank. Insert the water outlet pipe, and fix the water pipe with clips or ties. Insert the Type-C power cord. Please confirm that it is inserted in the correct position. Connect the USB adapter and power it up. Click hand to manually turn on or off the water pump. Click the spray button to select the appropriate working time, 5 to 50 seconds or 01 to 05 minutes. Wait for 5 seconds to complete the setup. Click the time button to select the appropriate interval time, 1 to 12 hours or 01 to 05 days. Wait for 5 seconds to complete the setup. Attention! The device has a memory function, and after power on, the device will retain previous programs and start executing them. And the device will use the current time as the starting time.